Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak. I'm here to do a small little unboxing. I was kind of waiting because there's a subscription box that I'm waiting to receive, and I thought I would receive it by today, but I'm not really sure what the holdup is, but they thought they sent it to me, and they they keep asking me when, I'm going to focus on their unboxing, but then today, I don't know, the email said that they didn't send it, so I don't know. I'm going to go ahead with this, and when that comes in, I'll just do a separate unboxing for that. It's a monthly subscription box. It's a brand new company that it's kind of like a fabric type sewing kind of thing. So I think they were very overwhelmed by their first subscription box and not expecting as many people that responded to it. So anyhow, I'm going to do my small little unboxing that I have for you. First off, I have something that I ordered through eBay, and I have to tell you, speaking of eBay, I'm kind of hooked on eBay. Back in 2011, my house was, I got flooded from the storms that came through, the one being known as Lee. And I store a lot of my things in the basement. So unfortunately, my basement got the brunt of it. Thank God, because the rest of the house, was okay. So it was just a matter of cleaning the basement. But being I use that for storage, everything that I wasn't currently using was down there, so I lost it all, including my well-loved snowman collection, which I love snowmen. But also there was my Stampin' Up! Huge rolly tote, and one of my other favorite rolly totes, which is a stamp store one, and you can't get it anymore, and it had these really nice drawers inside, so when I would go to teach classes or do workshops or events, all these little drawers would pull out so I can lay out all my projects in there. Well, to make a long story short, those were 2 bags that I had lost in the flood. So I've always been kind of looking for one. Well, oh my gosh, I found one on eBay, and I put a bid in and it wasn't accepted. I put a couple bids, it wasn't accepted. Apparently they wanted a lot more money than what I was willing to pay for it because, hey, I'm on a limited budget. So anyhow, I contacted the person. Something just said to me, contact them. Reach out to them and see. So I did. And the person that was selling it, when I told them my story and how I've been looking for this trade stamp store by, I think it was Crop and Style, I think is the name of the company. She accepted my first bid. So she sent it to me. Well, actually what happened was I was so excited that she accepted it. When I went in and put the bid, I didn't realize I wasn't bidding on hers. I was bidding on another one. And then by the time I contacted that person within 10 minutes, they had already shipped out the first one, which didn't have any drawers. So then I couldn't cancel it. Well, anyhow, I did end up getting the one with the drawers and one without the drawers. So now I have 2 of them, which I'm sure will come in handy. But I really couldn't afford 2 of them. I only really wanted one. But anyhow, I'm very excited because I was able to get one of those, and it's in great condition, and I'm super excited because I love the purple trays that are in it. And anyhow, so yeah, where was I going with that? eBay. So on eBay, I saw this beautiful lace. Look at these little bows. Aren't they pretty? Oh, and it's so soft. So I ordered 2 yards of it. And I figure I could cut them out. I can spray them with a Stampin' ink and a mister and make them any color. I just think they're just so pretty. And I mean, it was super cheap. But super cheap comes with a price. Price being, takes forever to come because it came from China. So, finally got it. Anyhow, that's one unboxing. But I love those bows. I think there's a lot of things I can do. Alright, next up comes this little package. And this is from Cotton Cuts. And this is that month subscription. It comes every month. And it's a mystery quilt. So you, when we first started it, I found out from Yvette. And hello, Yvette, if you're watching my video. She got me hooked on it I'm not a quilter. I've never made anything as far as quilting, but I know how to sew, so I figured, well, why not? So I jumped in on this subscription box, and I did make last month's pieces, which this is the fabric that I chose. So, I mean, I think it came out pretty good. I mean, you make 2 pieces every month. They send you everything that you need. Then you have to mark it like A1 and A2, which I have to put my little clips on there. But those are the 2 pieces, and this is just a smaller quilt. I didn't go for anything too big. I didn't want to go too crazy. So these were the first 2 pieces of last month. If you remember, I did an unboxing on it. So I'm going to fold this up. Look, I think I did pretty good. So this is for this month. This is the Cotton Cuts Mystery Quilt. And I think it runs for, I don't know, like maybe 10 months. I think 10 months or 11 months. And then by the 12th month, you put it all together. So it's fun. It's fun. Okay. So now this is going to coordinate again. Here's my fabric that I chose. And I don't know, there was just something about this fabric that I liked. I thought it was pretty. So, okay, so here is, this is called Sheila Christian's Puzzle Mystery 2018, This Way and That Way. So this is the single, small size. This is clue number 2. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, my bag was ripped. Okay, well that's all right. Yeah, the bag was ripped. I don't know what happened there. Maybe I cut it when I was opening it, so we'll blame it on myself. All right, so yeah, they send you these pieces, and every month you're going to put them together. So this year's Puzzle Mystery Quilts, I'm loving the mystery so far because, I mean, I'm new to quilting, so we'd love to see photos of your blocks in the Facebook group. And yes, there is a Facebook group that I do belong to, and we post pictures and all that. But they do show you step by step how to put it together. And here's the other side. So then you have to label these. These will be F1, F2, which is fun. So let's see what we got in here. Piece of cardboard. Hello. And then they send you this. And I guess you're supposed to color these in. And then you have a chance to win 2 yards of fabric. And they're due on the 15th of the month. And this is block of the month. It's called Broken Dishes. Well, that's cool. I like that. I wonder if that's something easy to do. If anybody knows, anybody quilts, that easy to do? Let me know. Okay, what else do we have in here? Scrap snack. Eat up your scraps with this fun and easy project. Oh, a casserole carrier. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look at, here's the directions on how to make it. Oh, that'd be fun. This is from, visit the www.thesewingloft.com for more scrap projects and tutorials. Oh, that's neat. I don't know, that looks like it's pretty easy to do. I think I'd like to give that a try. Okay, and here we have, this is from Cotton Cuts. I'm not sure what that noise was. I didn't hear no one scream out in pain as far as fur babies, so probably chasing a fly. Hello, Mystery Quilters. We hope you're as excited about month 2 clues as we are. We're very happy to see all the posts and pictures on Facebook. Please keep them coming. We also wanted to thank you again for your patience as we navigate the oops of the first month's clues. We've been working closely with our partner to understand everything what happened to prevent it from happening going forward. As a thank you gift, we've included a pattern that can be made with scrap fabrics, beautiful and functional. Happy Quilting Detectives, Kim and Debbie. Oh, so that's why they sent us this. Well, that was so nice. Kim and Debbie, thank you so much. I want to try to make that. Look, it has a handle and everything. So thank you. Okay, so let me fold this up. And here's my pieces of fabric. Well, no, why am I going to close it? Let's open it up so we can see the fabrics. So here we are, and the best part of this is that everything is cut for you. Oh, I love that. I love that dark color. And these are little triangle pieces. There's more just like that fabric there. And here's more triangles. So it's looking like it's going to be something triangular. Yeah, I guess that's a word, right? So, yeah. So what I'll do, I don't think I'll get to it tonight. Today's the first day of the holiday catalog with Stampin' Up. So I want to do a a couple of videos, and I have some mail I have to send out, and I have so many things I got to get done that I'm so behind in things. So I don't think I'll be sewing tonight, but I do have the whole month to do it. And what I'll do then is when I get next month's package, I will show you the progress from this one. I'll have, and then I'll have the one from month number 2, and I'll show you that created, and I'll just kind of keep going month by month so you can see my progress, and then hopefully in the end we'll have a finished quilt, because this is a way to keep me accountable to make sure that I do it. You know how that is? We have such good intentions sometimes, but we just don't always get to it. So, alright, I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing. Thanks so much for being here and stopping by. And be sure to subscribe, hit that little notification bell, because I have more unboxings to do as soon as I get them. So, have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.